Pass to Mendoza. Looking for his teammate. And a five for three. Yes, sir. 3, 4. Too short. Mendoza. Good shot. And now, Ito goes the people. Double shot. Good for 3-point play, Aquino. And now Galang, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Tenoria, fire, yes sir, 3 points. Mendoza. Turnaround shot. Aaron for 2. De La Cruz. What a nice pass. What a nice shot by Recalio.
Kailan release niyan sa manufacture date?
Hindi ko pa po nasisikip.
Ito 2019 ba?
Soldier. 5 minutes, full out. 5 minutes rule. Aquino, what shot! Nice point for Aquino. Serrano. Makakalusot, Aquino for the nice steal. Good, silang kahirap. Mendoza again. Aquino. Di kay makaya. Sige ng press. Yes sir, 3 points. Mendoza. Paso Aquino again. Aquino. What a nice reverse layup for Aquino. And na si Makaya go inside. Ohoy. Nakintay pa ng bantay. Ito si Aquino. Aquino for 2. And 2 points. Isang minuto. Serrano 3. 40 seconds. Time remaining. Mendoza. Aquino ang bola. Tupuan patalikod. And 2 points.
Magkatapos.
24 seconds. Time remaining. In and out. 19 seconds. Dalawang bantay. Kayang-kaya naman. 10 seconds to play. Down. 3 points. Mendoza. 2 seconds. It's a count. 3 points. Buzzer beater. Kumakanya. Off the board, yes sir. May mabilis ang pangyayari. For the jump shot. Aquino. Go inside of the glass. Aquino na naman. Recalio. Paso Mendoza. Mendoza gagawa ng paraan. Nice fence. Aquino ang bola. Pipilitin. Tusubukan. Pero wala. Wala lang. Wild shot. Pero pumasok. Ang tirang yun. Recalio for 3. Aquino. For the jump shot. Final up by Recalio. bola. Nice big turnaround. And goal inside. Yes, sir. Ganda ng tira na yun. Mendoza. De la Cruz. Medyo pilit, pero pasok. Aquino. Off the board. Aquino bakit? Serrano. 10 seconds to shoot. Good fire for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Macalia. Lay up. No good. Penny. Yes, sir. Aquino. Tumake pa. Aquino for 2. Time out. Good. And 2 points, Ricardo. Gala. And 2 points. And now go for open belly. That's pass on for 2. Aaron. And 2 points. 5 seconds. Counted. 2 points. Alia. Gloria. 3. Aquino. Alley-oop shot. No good. Aquino. And 2 points. Aaron Robredo shot in the dribble line. Ali again. For 2, Galang. Walang karalang po. De la Cruz. Sobrang konti. Off the glass for 2. Aquino. Ikot pa. 10 seconds to shoot. Serrano. And 3 points. Serrano. Pass to Valdez. Go inside. Kahit na rin pantay. Mendoza. Pass to Mendoza. Off the board. Napaganda pa ang tira ngayon si Mendoza. Okay, nabibitawan. Pass kay Mendoza. Dalawang pantay. Walang gagawin. Stop kay Mendoza. 4-2. Mendoza. Alio for 2. Ito na naman, Mendoza on the go. On the glass for 2. Nakabantay pa si Aquino. Mendoza, bigay Aquino sa ilalim. Sisiguraduhin sa pangalawang beses. Mendoza. Balik kay De la Cruz. Aquino ang bola. And a basket foul. Pasok ang golo shot. Amalia. Gloria. Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. De la Cruz. Aquino. Napakagandang rebound. Aaron. 2 points. Timeout. Split time. Passer kay Mendoza. And good for 2. Kaya na kaya. Diskartehan. Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Go inside. For the 2 points. Mendoza. Macalia. Versus De La Cruz. Libre off the glass for 2. Macalia. Titiro 3. Wala ang tinanong Valdez sa bola. Perry, Lusukan for 2. Yes sir, Perry. Mendoza pass to Aaron. Aaron. 3. Balls. De La Cruz for the jump shot. Too short. Mendoza off the glass for 2. Perry. Hirap yun. Passer kay Mendoza, dalawang bantay. Mendoza discard na naman. For 2, yes sir, Mendoza. Uy! Medyo wala. And 2 points. And 3 points, Mendoza. Serrano, diretso. Pasok ang bola. Ito na. Uy! And Perry for 2. 1 minute to play. 45 seconds remaining. Turn around with a fadeaway shot. Dulceni. 50 seconds. Perry. Makalimus. 9 seconds.
Wala pandigo. Good for 2.
And 2 points.